Everyone's really hyped about Google's VEO 3, but no one's telling you how to turn it into income fast. Hi there, I'm one of the top marketers in the United States. At my current job, I work with some of the biggest global brands managing multi-million-dollar marketing campaigns. On top of that, I run my own AI marketing automation agency. So today I'm going to show you real-world examples of how you can land $500 to $1,000 client deals using Google's VEO new AI tool. Let's go. So the first service you can sell are AI services. So sell VEO3 generated videos directly to brands for their ads, social posts, their websites, the whole marketing funnel. In fact, at my current job, one of the biggest agencies in the world, we currently had a meeting with one of the biggest brands to pitch VEO3 as a cutting-edge strategy to boost their revenue, profit, scale. And here's the wild part. I'm already using this type of approach with my own AI automation agency, pitching it to dentists, personal injury lawyers to automate their entire marketing funnel. So we take their most common services like dental implants, car accident claims, and I'm going to be using this VEO3 to generate high quality videos that look like they were made by real professionals from Hollywood. But here's the thing, there's no editor, no camera, just AI. Then I want to stack it with AI agents to qualify their leads, respond instantly, and book appointments automatically. Everything is going to be integrated to their website, CRM, and email flows. I'm pretty much automating their entire 80% front-end marketing, saving this particular dentist about $10,000 per month. That's what they're paying at their current agency. So this is what AI services are going to look like in 2025. And they're going to have high profit margins. You're already behind. So the second service you can offer are consulting packages. Currently, right now, I'm calling all of my clients and I'm offering AI consulting services packages to dentists, personal injury lawyers, small startups, starting at about $1,000 per implementation. So I'm going to be taking their most profitable services, such as dental implants, car accident claims. I'm going to integrate the whole AI agents to handle everything. Lead intake, respond to real-time clients, and use books appointments automatically into their CRM. So right now I'm working with a startup based out of New York, and I was talking to this founder. She has no idea about marketing and AI. So she's going to pay me $1,000 per month to complete the whole marketing funnel, from ad campaigns to VEO3 to CRM integration. Everything is going to be automated. So the only thing she has to look is at her dashboard and see the money coming in. So this is what AI consulting is going to look like in 2025 and above. So the final service I'm going to be talking about is digital services. Let me tell you how I'm helping students and future entrepreneurs start making money with AI without needing clients or tech skills. A few months ago, I had a college student DM me on Instagram. He was frustrated. He said he didn't know how to start a business, but loved learning about AI. So I sent him one of my AI prompt packs. I had 50 high converting prompts that I'm using every day for building landing pages, writing sales copy, and automating cold emails with ChatGPT. Within 2 weeks, he was using these prompts to build mini offers on Gumroad. And he made, for his first online sale, $300. No audience, no agency, just smart tools and a proven playbook system that I've been using for years with big brands and small businesses. And that's when it hit me. AI digital products are the fastest path. I started building mini courses, Notion templates, niche prompt packs, all designed to help people start earning income with AI fast. There's no client chasing, no Zoom calls, just high margin digital products you can sell over and over again with 95% profit margins. And what's the best part? I package everything I've learned into products that I sell and use myself. So if you're serious about becoming an AI entrepreneur, you just need the right tools and systems to start building your future AI agency.